Hey, so what's up, everybody? So I don't know if you guys seen it, but Amazon stock got down to like $90 after hours on yesterday. Now, I don't know about you, but the stock market is looking real, snackable, like a $9.99 cheap all-you-can-eat buffet right now. And Amazon stock dropping below $100. I have not seen Amazon stock below $100 in a long time. Now, understand Amazon, yes, they did do a stock split, so that's why their prices are so low. But the opportunity, just as it dropped so much, is definitely at hand. Now, let's talk about why Amazon stock dropped the way that it did. Now, right now, currently, you can see it's about $99 or so. It dropped based off its earnings because, of course, their earnings did not meet expectations. Did they lose money or did they make money? Now, a lot of times these earnings are compared to what happened last year or even the quarter before. So the expectation is that, or you're always supposed to just do better than what you did, like a year ago. If you know anything in sales, that's how they base their numbers a lot. And so for Amazon, these big companies and these earnings, they have all these different expectations that get placed on them by analysts and Wall Street and all these other things. And when they miss the expectation, then companies start to say, oh, well, I guess, it kind of gives a negative impact on the stock, right? Just to keep it simple so you understand. But nothing's wrong with the company. What's happening is it's just people aren't spending as much money as they normally would spend. You can see here where it dropped, right? Like it literally just dropped right off right here. You can see how it just dropped. And so what happens is people just not spending as much money as they were, a year ago or a couple years ago, because as we know, inflation is high, a recession is, in a sense here, and then you also have things like, the rates going up, etc. People are trying to kind of watch their money. The media doesn't do a good job of really telling people what's happening right now, what's really going on, because what's really going on is you do have a lot of things kind of shaking up. Some people really are, losing more money. Now you have between people losing jobs during the recession because some companies are cutting back hours, etc. But you also have the fact that things are expensive as well. So people start to look like, well, how can I save money? So they might not shop as much. But Amazon's earnings actually weren't necessarily bad. They were good, but they just missed the expectations of whatever I expected by I think 10 cents or something crazy like that. And so basically what happened is that affects the stock, and then happens from there is you see it goes down and it looks like something's wrong, and nothing's wrong. But really what's happening is it is more of an opportunity, for you. So I don't know what you guys feel about Amazon. I know a lot of people don't like their work conditions and stuff like that, and I understand it. But as a company, they seem to be very solid. And so seeing it drop down like it did, like you see it's still below $100 right now, looks pretty snackable to me. But I'd love to see what you guys think and see if you guys are interested in investing in Amazon or not, or what's your take on it. But just like we see this, we're going to see more and more stocks continue to come down, and hit these floors or just get, really inexpensive. So always remember, during a recession, times like these, it's an opportunity. It's not a time to fear. All right, guys, till the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.